If you want to find the Hostinger file manager quickly and without getting lost in the dashboard, this video will walk you through it step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click inside hPanel to open your site files, browse your public/html folder, and manage your website content with confidence. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to hpanel.hostinger.com. Then log into your Hostinger account using the email and password connected to your hosting plan. Once you're inside hPanel, look at the main left sidebar and click Websites. This is where Hostinger keeps the list of all the websites connected to your account. After that, you'll see your website dashboard. Find the website you want to manage, then click Manage next to it. In some accounts, you may see Dashboard instead, and that will take you into the same general area. Once your site management page opens, look again at the left sidebar and scroll down until you find the Files section. This is the area where Hostinger places your file tools. Under Files, click File Manager. In some layouts, you may also see File Manager in the Quick Actions panel, so either option will work. After that, Hostinger may ask you to choose whether you want to access files for your specific domain or access all files. If you only want to work on one website, choose Access Files of your domain. If you want to browse everything in your hosting account, choose Access All Files. Once you click that option, the File Manager will open in a new browser tab. From there, you'll be able to see your website folders, including the public/html directory, which is usually where your main site files are stored. This is the section you'll use when uploading files, editing content, or checking your website structure. If you were trying to find where Hostinger hides the File Manager, that's the exact path you need. Websites, then Manage, then File Manager under Files. It's simple once you know where to look, but the dashboard can be confusing the first time. So now you've got the fastest route to your files and can jump straight into managing your website. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more Hostinger tutorials, website setup tips, and beginner-friendly tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.